Hi everyone, how are you? कैसे हो आप सब लोग? Welcome back to English with me. Today we are joining Lily, a curious 10-year-old, on a big adventure. Have you ever dreamed of moving to a new place? Well, Lily is about to do just that, but will she miss the city life? Let's find out together. यदि आप इंग्लिश को सीखना चाहते हैं तो आपको स्टोरीज को देखना पड़ेगा, कन्वर्स इंग्लिश हिंदी कन्वर्सेशन को देखना पड़ेगा ताकि आप इंग्लिश को समझ पाए और साथ ही साथ आपकी स्पोकन इंग्लिश भी ठीक हो जाए। ठीक है, यदि आप चाहते हैं कि इन्हीं इन्हीं जो वर्ड्स लिखे हुए हैं इन्हीं के नीचे इनकी हिंदी भी लिखी है तो आप प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में कर देना, मैं उसकी हिंदी बना दूंगा। लेट्स स्टार्ट द स्टोरी। Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily who lived in a big bustling city. Her days were filled with the sounds of honking of cars and sirens, and her nights were lit up by the glow of a million street lights. Lily loved her city, but she always dreamed of living in a place that was more peaceful and quiet. One day, Lily's parents announced that they were moving to a small town in the country. Lily was excited and scared at the same time. She was excited to have a big backyard to play in and a creek to explore, but she was scared of leaving her friends and her familiar city behind. On the day of the move, Lily packed up her room and said goodbye to her friends, and the drive to the country was long. But Lily kept herself entertained by watching the cows and sheep grazing in the fields. When they finally arrived at their new home, Lily was amazed. It was a big old house with a wraparound porch and a red door. The yard was full of towering trees, colorful flowers. One day, Lily was feeling homesick. When she had an idea, she decided to write a letter to her friends, telling them all about her new home and her new life. She wrote about the big trees, the bubbling creek, and the friendly cows. She also wrote about how much she missed them. A few weeks later, Lily received a letter from her friends. They wrote that they were so happy for her and they couldn't wait to visit her new home. They also wrote that they missed her too. Lily's heart filled with joy. She knew that even though she had moved away, her friends would always be a part of her life, and she knew that she had found a new home that she loved just as much as her old home. थैंक यू। स्टोरी अच्छी लगी हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में एक बार लिख के बता देना। यदि इन्हीं के नीचे इनके इंग्लिश हिंदी भी चाहिए आपको तो कमेंट में कर देना, उसकी हिंदी भी आपको मिल जाएगी।